A boxer is born. Dinko Singh's success helped Mary understand she wanted to be a boxer too. She began her training in 2000 and started learning the moves and training as hard as the men around her. Mary initially did not have the courage to tell her father about boxing. He would not agree to let his daughter be in a sport which was not really considered by many people as a woman's sport. Once she became the state boxing champion, she could not hide it from her father anymore. Now, Dinko Singh's success helped Mary understand she wanted to be a boxer too. When she was connected, she came into known with this man, this person. He was also a famous boxer. When she heard about the success of this man, so she thought, she understood that if he can be or he can do this, so why can't we? I can also become a boxer. So by the he was the inspiration. Inspiration means हम किसी से कुछ सीखते हैं, किसी और से प्रेरणा लेते हैं, सीखना किसी से. तो मैरी ने भी इनसे सीखा कि अगर ये कामयाब हो सकते हैं, if he can be the successful person in boxing, so why can't I? So she then also wanted to become a boxer too. She began her training. She started her training in 2000 year. This is the year 2000, and started learning the moves. And in her training, she started learning the moves of the boxing, different types of positions, different types of powers or whatever punches are used in boxing, and training एज हार्ड एज एंड शी ट्रेन हर सेल्फ एज हार्ड एज. बहुत मेहनत करी उन्होंने, इतनी मेहनत, इतनी कड़क मेहनत करती थी जैसे कि आदमी करते हैं. उनके आसपास जो रिंग, जो वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग करते थे, द मेन वर ऑल्सो यूज टू देयर. सो टू देम, अलॉन्ग विद देम, शी ऑल्सो यूज टू गेट ट्रेन. Mary initially means first, पहले did not have the courage to tell her father about boxing. जब वो बॉक्सिंग करती थी, उन्होंने बॉक्सिंग स्टार्ट करी, घर पे उन्होंने किसी को नहीं बताया. वाई? बिकॉज शी डिड नॉट हैव द करेज. करेज मीन्स हिम्मत. टू टेल हर फादर about boxing. Why? Because he would not agree to let his daughter be in a sport which was not really considered by many people as a women's sport. क्योंकि उनके फादर उनको बॉक्सिंग के लिए अलाउ नहीं करते, क्योंकि वो एक ऐसा स्पोर्ट माना जाता था. कंसिडर मीन्स मानना, कंसिडर करना कि वो सिर्फ आदमियों के लिए ही होता है. ओनली द मेन कैन डू दैट. इट वॉज नॉट एज अ वुमेन स्पोर्ट. वो लेडीज़ के लिए, औरतों के लिए नहीं होता है. वंस शी बिकेम द स्टेट बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियन, जब एक बार वो स्टेट बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियन बन गई, देन शी कुड नॉट हाइड. तब वो अपने फादर से, अपने पेरेंट्स से ये बात नहीं छुपा पाई. देन दे वर नोन, देन दे केम टू नो अबाउट देयर डॉटर दैट शी हैज़ बिकम द स्टेट बॉक्सिंग चैम्पियन. In training, now what happened in training? Mary knew that she needed to practice boxing full time, and to do just that, she enrolled into the Sports Authority of India and underwent intensive training with her coach, Ibokma Singh. Seeing her hard work, several officials of the State and Sports Association of Manipur offered their help. Now, when she knew, after becoming the state boxing champion, when she knew that she needed more practice for the boxing to reach the higher levels, to reach the goals, she needed more practice, full-time practice she needed. So, and to do just that, she enrolled. What she did to do, she get it enrolled. Enrolled means named, एंटर्ड. जैसे हमारे स्कूल में हम आते हैं, हमारे रजिस्टर्स में नेम लिखे होते हैं, रोल नंबर्स एंड ऑल दैट. सो इन द सेम वे शी ऑल्सो गेट देयर, बिकॉज देयर वर मेनी पीपल हु वांटेड टू, हु वर लर्निंग, गेटिंग द ट्रेनिंग ऑफ बीइंग अ बॉक्सर. सो शी गॉट हर एनरोल्ड इन अ Sports Authority of India. This is the federation, this is the organization, Sports Authority of India, which gives the training to the boxers, and underwent intensive training with her coach. And she was given a coach. Coach होता है, हर एक को सिखाने के लिए टीचर्स होते हैं. So here also she had a coach. Her coach name was Ibokma Singh. Seeing her hard work, several officials, and बहुत मेहनत करती थी मैरी कॉम. She used to work very hard. बहुत day night she used to practice. सेवरल ऑफिशियल, जब लोगों ने उसको देखा, मैनी ऑफिशियल्स ने उनको देखा, ऑफिसर्स ने देखा, ऑफ द स्टेट एंड स्पोर्ट्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ मणिपुर, शी बिलोंग्स टू मणिपुर, ऑफर्ड देयर हेल्प. तो उन्होंने भी उसको हेल्प करने के लिए ऑफर किया. विद मनी, यू कैन से, विद द मनी दे हेल्प्ड हर, ऑफर्ड हर. मैरी केप्ट इम्प्रूविंग, kept winning one event after the other. As she kept on moving, she started working hard, she kept on improving. जैसे जैसे वो मेहनत करती गई वो improve होती गई. She kept on winning. Improve होने के साथ साथ she started participating, and after even one event after another she kept on winning. जीतने लगी वो. After winning her first title of best boxer, then after some time, after some years, she got the first title of the best boxer at the first state level invitation women's boxing championship in Manipur in 2000. She went on to win the gold in the 7th East India Women's Boxing Championship held in West Bengal. ये सब जो आप ये names देख रहे हैं, these all are the boxing associations. These are the names of different boxing associations where in which Mary Kom participated. So the first she participated in when she got the best boxer level title, then she participated in first state level invitation women's boxing championship in Manipur in 2000, and she went on to win the gold. Then after that she won the gold medal in 7th East India Women's Boxing Championship held in West Bengal. Then she went to West Bengal. Setback. In 2003, Mary was supposed to attend the Asian Boxing Championship selection camp, which was to be held at Bangkok. A 20-year-old Mary was leaving her village, her town, and her country, but at the airport, her luggage and passport got stolen. Mary's parents asked her to return home. Now, setback means the determination which she did. What happened with her in 2003? After 3 years of her starting career, she was supposed to attend the Asian Boxing Championship selection होना था उनका, कैंप था. There was a camp which was to be held at Bangkok. उसके लिए she has to go to Bangkok, which was out of India. नाम आपने सुना होगा Bangkok. At that time she was 20 years old. She was leaving her village. वो अपना गांव छोड़कर, अपना देश, अपनी शहर को छोड़कर जा रही थी. But at the airport, what happened with her? Her luggage and passport. उनका सामान और उनका पासपोर्ट दोनों ही चोरी हो गया, स्टोलन. जब पेरेंट्स को ये पता चला, देन दे सेड हर टू रिटर्न होम. उन्होंने कहा वापस आ जाओ, कम बैक होम. बट शी डिड टर्न बैक. क्या वो वापस गई? आपको लगता है? नो. मैरी वॉज श्योरली स्केयर्ड एंड वरिड अबाउट हर लॉस्ट पासपोर्ट एंड बैग एंड नॉट बीइंग एबल टू गो for the training abroad, but she had struggled hard to be a boxer, so she did not give up. मैरी चोरी हुआ जब सामान उनका, एक बार वो डर गई, बहुत परेशान हो गई कि उनका सामान और उनका पासपोर्ट वगैरह सब खो गया है, चोरी हो गया है और अब वो ट्रेनिंग पे नहीं जा सकती हैं. लेकिन उन्होंने यहाँ तक और आगे तक पहुँचने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करी थी, बहुत कोशिश करी थी, स्ट्रगल किया था, संघर्ष किया था बॉक्सर बनने के लिए. तो वो इतनी जल्दी गिव अप नहीं कर सकती हैं. गिव अप मीन्स हार मानना, छोड़ देना. शी डिड नॉट गिव अप एंड शी प्रूव्ड इट बाय विनिंग द फाइनल्स ऑफ द एशियन Women's Championship in Hisar in Haryana in the 46 kg category. She won the second and third championships as well. So what she did, and she proved, और उन्होंने वो गई जैसे भी करके, हिम्मत करके, जैसे भी अरेंजमेंट करा, she went there and she proved it by winning, और वो जीता उन्होंने finals of the Asian Women's Championship in Hisar in Haryana in the 46 kg category. She won the second and third championships as well. वो वहाँ तो नहीं जा पाई, but when she returned, she got an offer from Hisar in which is in Haryana state in the 46 kg category. ये जो होता है ये weight category होती है, boxing categories होती हैं अलग अलग टाइप से. उसमें उनको क्या मिला? She won. By participating, she won the second and third championships as well. Second and third place पे वो आई.